Hello everybody, I am Kaka. Today, a customer sent me this bangle. See, it's broken. This is two very obvious cracks. Let's go to the professional workshop. Go. 哎，老板，
它反正是辩证的地方，它修出来可能都会有那个黄。
这里啊，
对，
这修出来都会有黄的。
这边会有，这边可能没有，因为这边它没有变种。这種屬於硬性問題變種的這些。
收好咗之後佢都會少少變種，但係呢啲位就唔會。要多久啊
？7天左右。
7天。
對，我們7號左右放假，7號這邊全部會做完。
行吧，那就幫我續吧。
行。
好嘞。
好。
Go。它这里是变了种的。
对，它那里是变种。
Now the bangle is back and hardly see the cap. Under natural light, this bangle looks complete, but it is not in original condition anymore. When exposed to UV light, the resins used in the repair shows a blue glow. This is a key sign that the jade has been repaired. So UV testing is very important when buying jade. If you see blue fluorescence, it usually means the jade was once cracked or damaged and repaired. Also, repaired jade is much less valuable than natural intact jade. So we need to be careful. Some sellers sell repaired jade as natural jade. And I am Kaka. See you next time. KWJ